All right. Question 9.04, question 10. Let's have a go at this one now. We're asked to find the interior angles in the triangle, and we've got obviously angles here, here, and here, but we're not sure what they are. But what we do know is that these sides are the same because this is an isosceles triangle. These are in centimeters. And we've been given the area, which is 40 square centimeters. So let's find the interior angles. And the one angle we do know is, of course, if we're going to call that theta, for example, we've got two angles on either side, so we can just use sine. So we can go ahead and say the area of a triangle, I'll do it underneath, so we can say the area is equal to half AB sine C. So what's that? So AB, well, 11, A and B, I'm going to call these two A and B. So I've got half 11 times 11 times sine of C, which is, in this case, theta. Now, what have I got there? Well, 11 11s are 121. 121, I'll write it out, 100 times 121 times sine theta. That's a theta, by the way, theta. Okay, half 121, that would be 60.5 sine theta. And all of this, by the way, equals 40, because we know the area. It is 40 square centimeters. So now I can just divide. In fact, I'm going to write this the other way around. So let's go 60.5 sine theta is 40. So if I divide both sides by 60.5, I'm left with sine theta is 40, whoops, that was going to be 40, over 60.5, and theta will be the arc sine, or sine to the -1 of 40, this is 40, over 60, I'm getting too tight here, 60.5. All right, so if we do that on the calculator, let's have a play with that. So we're going to go, let's have a look here. So arc sine, the arc sine of 40, divided by 60.5. And we get 41.388. So that's going to 41.38. I'm going to keep all the decimal places in for the time being. So that's the top. That's the apex. So this is theta. This is this bit here. So that's going to be 41.388. Now we know that this is an isosceles triangle, which means the base angles must be equal. So if I took 180 and I took away the 41.388 and I divided whatever I had by 2, I would get these two angles here. So let's do that now. Here's what I've got. So let's take, sorry, the light's right in the way there. So I'm going to take 180, here it is. I'm going to subtract the 41, which I just got, and I'm going to divide the whole thing, here it is, by 2. And it's 69.31, I'm going to call it, equals 69.31 degrees. Now, here I've got I'll put 4 significant figures. Or 4SF would be a good way of saying it. So the two base angles, this one and this one, are going to be 69.31, and the angle at the apex, the pinnacle, the top angle, when we turn this triangle around, is going to be 41.388. Okay, if it doesn't make sense, get back to me. I need to hear from you folks.